Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video about Cardano. So guys, Cardano is about to make a huge move. We already know about the Cardano future, the Cardano right now price in the market. Cardano right now price is $2 dollar 2.49 cent. 2.49 cent is the currently price of the Cardano in the market today. And absolutely a bullish, a massive time of Cardano at Guys, I really appreciate Cardano for investment now at this time. If you want an investment in a Cardano, that's 100% good idea for all of you. I recommend for you to please invest now in a Cardano. Anyways, guys, furthermore, if you talk about the price, so I already told you at 2.249 cent is the current price of the Cardano. And furthermore, guys, from the yesterday, the changes occurring in the Cardano is going wrong, but that's not mean then you decide to sell. No, guys, a lot of people decide to selling when the price falls down, but no, Cardano is a long-term project, and as I told you guys in my many videos that Cardano is a future gold. Cardano is a future gold, so that's why, guys, I recommend for you to please invest now in a Cardano. I hope, guys, they will give you profit, not loss. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes of the Cardano, you can see here H3, third number cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrencies market. Absolutely, they will become a number one, but the price of Cardano is low. The other side, if we look the changes, so that in the changes on the basis of the price changes, Cardano is the number one coin in the cryptocurrencies market. Now the Bitcoin and Ethereum is a first and second cryptocurrencies in the market. Guys, other side, if you talk about the price chart, so you can see here from this price chart, that's really appreciate. I really appreciate Cardano for investment, because from this chart everything is clear, and I'm sure about Cardano future, that Cardano is a bright coin in the market. Guys, what do you think about Cardano? Just share in the comment box saying. Guys, please click the subscribe button now for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market.